Alright everybody, this is an update video. Yet again, Country Rider. This is an update video on FlexSeal. And as you guys see, I have a pool again, has a hole. I put some FlexSeal around it. That FlexSeal tape, it does wonders. FlexSeal, made in the USA, America baby. So what I did, FlexSeal this, and then I also FlexSealed underneath. So that way, hopefully, the if it does like create any leaks, you know, hopefully I'll have another FlexSeal to get by. Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but I put marine grade JB Weld around it. So what I did first was I JB welded the hole, and then I put the FlexSeal tape on the bottom, put more JB Weld on the top here, and then lay down my FlexSeal, JB Weld around the FlexSeal tape. So that way it gives it extra strength, extra durability. I stand by both of those products, JB Weld and FlexSeal. So I'll give you guys an update video when this pool is filled. Okay, some time later, we got a little bit over an inch of water maybe in the pool. My patch is completely underwater, just by a little bit though. The line is like, as you see, like right above it. So this is the flip side. We are dry. That's all in there is dry. Check in later. Alright, this is going to be the last video. Pool's not completely filled, but I got to get this video in before it's night, before the sun goes down, so that way you guys can see. My patch is there, and it's holding well. FlexSeal and JB Weld for the win. I got to get in there and vacuum it, though. You guys saw how dirty it was in the beginning, and it's still a little dirty. Don't harass me about the wrinkles. I can't get them all out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.